Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MT Learners. I'm your instructor Mehvish Tahir, and today I will show you the program code for task 1 from October-November 2020 exam series. Task 1 is about setting up the system and ordering the main items. In this task, you have to write a program that will use arrays to store the item code, description, and price. And next, allow a customer to choose one case, one RAM, and one main hard disk drive. Then calculate the price of the computer using the cost of the chosen items and the basic set of components. In the last step, you have to store and output the chosen items and the price of the computer. Now let's move towards Visual Basic Program Code. In the Visual Basic Program Code, I have stored all the item codes, item descriptions, item prices in three static arrays. These values are already given in the pre-release material, so I have just copied the data from here, from that pre-release material, and then I have declared the variables that will be used in task 1. These are case code, RAM code, and then MHDD code as string data type, and then case price, RAM price, MHDD price, and computer price as decimal. Firstly, I will display the list of items that can be selected as additional items by the user. And for this, I have shown here the console.write statement to output list of additional items message. And then for loop is used to display all of these uh, array values, and I have used index for this array as item, and it is started from 0 till 16. I have used here 0 because in Visual Basic index of arrays is always started from 0, and so I have used the range that is from 0 to 16, means 17 items will be covered here. In the next step, I have to select the one case from the additional items. For this, I have used do loop until. This do loop until will allow the customer to choose only one case for the personal computer. So case code equals to A1 or case code equals to A2. Only one of these case codes will be selected. And firstly, I have displayed the message: select your case for your personal computer. Then case code value equals to console.readline will be used to input the value of case code. If case code value is A1, then case price will be $75. Otherwise, the case price will be $150. Same case is for RAM. Do loop until is used, but RAM code is either B1, B2, or B3. We have three RAM codes. So firstly, I have displayed the message: select RAM for your personal computer. Then RAM code equals to console.readline is used to input the value of RAM code. Then if the RAM code is equals to B1, RAM price will be $79.99. If RAM code equals to B2, then RAM price will be $149.99. Otherwise, the RAM price will be $299.99. Same process will be followed for main hard disk drive. Main hard disk drive has also three codes: C1, C2, or C3, and only one of these three HMDD codes will be selected. So firstly, I have shown the message to select main hard disk drive for your personal computer. Then MHDD code is equals to console.readline is used to take input of MHDD code. If it is C1, then price of MHDD will be 49.99. If it is C2, then the price will be 89.99. Otherwise, the price of MHDD will be 129.99. In the next step, I have calculated the price of the computer. If you see the pre-release material, it is shown here that the basic price of the computer is $200. When you select one case price, when one case, one RAM, and one MHDD, then the price of the system will be something else. So I have added basic price with the case price, RAM price, and MHDD price. In the next step, selected items are shown. These items are those items that are selected by the customer. Selected case by the customer, then selected RAM by the customer, then selected main hard disk drive by the customer. In the last step, I have shown the price of the computer, that is the final price of the computer. Now I will show you the program after debugging. So when I debug the program, I got the list of additional items here. These are the these are the values that are taken from the pre-release material. You can match them with these values. Then firstly select case for your personal computer. Let's suppose I have selected S1. It will give me the message select case for your personal computer again, because we have only two cases, A1 or A2. Other than A1 and A2, value will be rejected, so I will enter A2. Now select RAM for your personal computer. We have three options for RAM: B1, B2 and B3. If I select D1, it is not the RAM code, so it should be rejected. It is rejected. So I got the message select RAM for your personal computer again. So I will write B1. It should be selected. It is selected. Now select main hard disk drive for your personal computer. I will also cross check this value as well. I will enter H1. So again I have got the same message select main hard disk drive for your personal computer. So I will enter C2 here. Now I have got the final answer, that is selected case. My selected case is A2. So here you can see selected personal case for your personal computer is A2. Then selected RAM is B1. Here B1. Then selected main hard disk drive is C2. Here C2. Then price of the computer is 519.98. As the basic price of the computer was 200, so if you see the price of selected case, that is A2, it is $150. Then selected RAM price is B1's price is 79.99. Then selected main hard disk drive is price of the selected main hard disk drive C2 is 89.99. So if you sum up all of these values, you will get 519.98 value for the price for the for your personal computer. That was all that is to be achieved in task 1. Thank you for listening me, and take care. Goodbye.